Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Boof's Sports Card Collecting. I'm going to today open up another box of Bowman 2020 Blaster. I opened up one of these the last episode and I got some pretty good cards out of it. No color or autographs or anything, but I thought some pretty cool cards. So I can't wait to open this one up, so let's go ahead and rip into it. So, as one of the YouTubers say, one pack away from greatness, which is too true, because, you know, all you need is one. So let's see what we can pull out of this 2021 Bowman Blaster box. Nothing left. Okay, here's the packs. Start with pack number one. Oh yeah, then first let me show you the odds before I rip it. See the odds of what you can possibly get. Some pretty cool cards. I mean, platinum, that's out of a lot. Like Superfractor, 292,506. That's wow. But let's see what we get. Alright, first card is Miguel Cabrera from the Tigers. And I got a Max Kepler from the Minnesota Twins. I got a Gleyber Torres from the New York Yankees. I got a Blake Snell from the Tampa Bay Devil Rays, but San Diego Padres now. I got a Yu Darvish from the San Diego Padres now. Used to be the Cubs. Got a Turkington Schoolball rookie card from Detroit Tigers. I got Clark Schmidt rookie card from the New York Yankees. I got a Jared Duran Corone from the Red Sox. I got a Clayton Breer from the Dodgers. So that's good. And then a Jeremy De La Rosa from Washington. And I got Giuliano Savario from the Minnesota Twins. That's a first. And then I got a Max Meyer from the Miami Marlins. Okay, next pack. Okay, top card. Got a rookie card of Tristan McKenzie, Skinny Mini, from the Cleveland team. I got an Ian Anderson rookie card from the Braves. I got a Nick Madrigal rookie card from the Chicago White Sox. I got a Garrett Croquet rookie card from the White Sox. I got this guy. I got a Pete Alonso. And I got a Bowman Scouts 100, number 91, Jordan Blazkov. Pretty cool looking card there. And I got an Aaron Sabato from the Twins. Bowman's first chrome. And I got a James Braid from the White Sox. Got a Michael Toroga. Yorbert Sanchez rookie from the first, Bowman's first. And a Drew Romo. Okay, next pack. Okay, now this pack, top card, Manny Machado. I got a Luis Garcia rookie card from Washington. I got a Sixto Sanchez rookie card from Miami. I got a Yordan Alvarez from Houston. I got a Jacob DeGrom from New York. I got a Mike Clevenger from San Diego. I got a 1989 throwback of Heston, or 1991 throwback of Heston Kjerstad from Baltimore. Oh, check it out, guys. I got an Aston Martin Chrome first. This is another nice card. Aston Martin Chrome first. Alright, and then the next Chrome I got a Michael Troya from the Colorado Rockies. And the next three I got a Daniel Lynch from Kansas City. I got a Kenoy Cabo from the Twins. And a Brandon Marsh from the Angels. Alright, next pack. Alright, let's see if we can pull some fire. Something really, really good out of this. Even though I do like that Aston Martin first Chrome, that will do. Okay, we got a Matt Chapman. We got a Javi Baez. We got a Whit Minfield. We got a Joe Adele rookie card. We got a Key Brian Hayes rookie card. We got a Spencer Howard rookie card. We got a Kentel Marte. Ooh, I got jacked of a card. Got a Daniel Lynch, only one Chrome. Got an Andrew Dolas from the White Sox. Got a Enoy Reyes from the Rangers, Bowman first. And I got a numbered card, a blue, out of $4.99 of Freddie Zormo of the Milwaukee Brewers. Check it out. $3.79 of $4.99. Nice. Pulled a number card. Right on. Alright. Next pack. Let's see if we can get anything else. Alright. First card. Got a Joey Grand Theft Auto. Got a Keston Hiura. Got a Buster Posey. Got a Garrett Cole. Got an Austin Meadows. Got a Chris Bubic. Got a Futurist insert of Francisco Alvarez. It's a pretty nice card right there. Francisco Alvarez. Got a Bowman Chrome of Andrew Dahlquist of the White Sox. And got a Tyler Sorstrom Chrome from the A's. And I got a Tyler Sorstrom base card. And a Christian Robinson from Arizona. And Matthew Liberatore from the St. Louis Cardinals. Last pack magic. Let's see if we can get some last pack mojos. See if we can pull something really big out of this. Alright, first card is Tyler Stevenson rookie card. We got an Anderson Tejada rookie card. We got a Joey Bart rookie card. We got a Nate Pearson rookie card. We got a Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. We got a Paul Goldschmidt from the St. Louis Cardinals. And we got a Bowman Scout Top 100 number 82 Robert Haskell for the San Diego Padres. And the next Bowman Chrome is a Gerald Primo from the Arizona Diamondbacks. And we got another Logan Davidson from the Oakland Athletics. And then a Gerald Primero base card. A Jake Volger, the first for the Dodgers. And a Pete Crow Armstrong from the New York Mets. Alright, well that's my second blaster box. I think the best cards that I got, well these are going to be PC, which is White Sox, Bowman Chrome, Andrew Dulces. But this Freddie Zormer blue out of 499, 379 out of 499. That's pretty awesome card. Another white PC card with the James Beard chrome for the White Sox, and a Clayton Betray for the Dodgers chrome. Got the big one though. The big hit is this Bowman first, Austin Martin. And then I got another chrome first of the Aaron Sabato, but this Austin Martin is the big one. Alright guys, that's my opening. Let me know what you think. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.